Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about the method about Json. The Json object is to create a Json key value pair. The Json put is to put key value pairs in a specific Json object. There are three parameters. One is the Json object. The second one is key. The third one is value. Json array is to set a Json array. Json add is to add data to the Json array. And there are two methods in Json add. One is add various objects to an array, including Json object. The other is add data at a certain position of an array, including Json object. And for method 1, the parameters are Json array and the object. For method 2, the parameters are Json array, integer index, and object. And here's the example. Json set is to replace the data in Json array, and the parameters are Json array, the integer index, and object. And here's the example. Json get is to get the content of the stored data from Json object or Json array. There are two methods for the Json get. About parameters, for get data from Json array, we need a Json array and the index and a string and a type name. For get data from the Json object, we need a Json object, the key, and a type name. You'll return the key value or index in Json object or Json array. If no key value or index is matched, you'll return null. And here's the example. Json remove is to remove data in Json object or Json array. And there are three methods for Json remove. One is remove from Json object, and two is for remove from Json array. For the parameters, if you want to remove from Json object, you need a Json object and a key in string. For remove from Json array, you need a Json array and an index in integer or object in Json object. And here's the example. Json to string is to convert a Json object or Json array to a Json format string. Json length is to get the number of elements in a Json array. Here's the example. And that's all for the method of Json.